Well, hello YouTube, and thank you again for tuning into the Dad Cave channel. I just wanted to take a quick moment, make a quick video, get it out there, and let all of my subscribers know that I really appreciate all the support recently. And I just passed on Saturday 100 subscribers, so I'm really excited about that. So I just wanted to take a quick moment and give a shout out to Russ over at Simply Wooden Creations for having me on his podcast last Saturday night. If you didn't get a chance to watch it, or if you want to go back and check it out, you can head on over to his channel, Simply Wooden Creations. You'll find it there. But I'm also going to leave a link in the description of this video below, so that this way you can go and click on the link to go check that video out. I really had a lot of fun with that collaboration. It was great to connect with other woodworkers and other YouTube creators out there. Really had a good time doing that. And that's also the same community that helped me to get past 100 subscribers. So big shout out, big thumbs up to you guys. I really appreciate it. And to all my current subscribers that I have now, I just want to take a quick moment, share with you some of the projects that I'm finishing up and some of the ones I'm just starting, so you have an idea what to expect on the channel in the next few weeks and months. One of them I just completed, and I actually just put it on my wall, and I'm finishing up editing the video, is a wall-mounted magnetic bottle opener. So make sure you check that one out when it hits. Also, I'm working on a replacement dining table for an RV. That's this one here. Almost done, but not quite, but getting there. The other thing is I'm finally starting on the bar that I was talking about back in my 2020 shop video. So that was the one I put out back in January, if you remember, and I mentioned that I was going to be building a new bar for my house. Although, hold on, that's actually for my wife. But anyhow. So I actually went and started cutting some of the wood already. I've gone and cut the legs out for the bar, and as you can see, it's going to be a pretty heavy-duty, pretty sturdy bar. It's going to be about 7 feet long, about 2.5 feet wide. So make sure you check that out. And I'm going to upload that video in parts, and I'll share with you the progression as I go through, and then certainly do a final video to show you the final product and see what you think. So that's all I got for you for right now. Once again, I definitely appreciate all the recent subscribers to the channel to push me past that 100 subscriber mark, and I'm definitely looking forward to the next milestone. So once again, thank you for all the support. I really appreciate it. And if you wouldn't mind, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button for me. And also, it would be really awesome if you might share this video or my channel with your friends and family. If you could do that too, that would be really awesome. I'd really appreciate that. And I don't know, maybe in the coming weeks we can hit 200 subscribers. That would be pretty cool. So until the next video, get out there and build something today, because Dad said so.